Hey y'all, it's Frank from Get the Gold 777. We're going to try something new this week. So I took the concentrates that we used in the last episode. Remember, we got the gold out of it already. We ran it through the mini Highbanker, we ran it through the micro sluice, got the gold. I'm going to take those concentrates and we're going to classify them and get the finest stuff out, and we're going to run it through the blue bowl, but not the regular blue bowl. This one's got a latex mat in it, something I purchased that some guy makes. They said that latex really attracts the gold. It's because latex repels water, gold repels water. Put the two together, and they're sort of, kind of in effect, attracted to each other. So you got the water and the dirt and all the other junk just flying around them. And the gold and the latex look at each other and go, let's get together. Let's see if it actually works. I hope so. Let's go. Good. And these are my three sizes I'm going to run through. It's three smallest sizes, right to left. Not the easiest cleanup for sure. Let's keep going. I'm gonna make sure I get all those nooks and crannies. All right, let's pan it out. we're going to go ahead and we'll snuff it up and we'll take a look at it. I wasn't never sure about that because it looks so dark. It could be just a different kind of gold, but yeah, we'll snuff it up. Now we're going to do the next larger size. Remember, we did 3 sizes. Here, I'm not sure if that's gold or not. It's heavy enough to be gold because it's staying up there, but it's silver looking, and that could be because I have no sunlight. So we'll look at it inside and see if it's gold or just crap.